Best automatic espresso machines. We review top 5 best automatic espresso machines. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Machine. If you are looking for an easily affordable machine, Mr. Coffee's Cafe Barista is the machine for you. It's often labeled as semi-automatic, but it does feature automatic options and simply has semi-automatic redundancies built in. So, no matter your experience level, it can adapt pretty easily. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker, White. The machine also features an automatic milk frother, a one-touch control panel, an adjustable cup tray, and removable reservoirs. In sum, these features make the Cafe Barista simple to operate, easy to clean, and delightfully user-friendly. We recommend this for people who are just getting started with at-home espresso brewing. Breville Barista Touch BESS 880 BSS Espresso Machine. If you have a bigger budget, the Barista Touch is hands down the best espresso machine to get. If you are spending $5 or more per day on coffee, it'll pay for itself in less than a year. And it has everything you could want in an automatic espresso machine. Breville BESS 880 BSS Barista Touch Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. With the Barista Touch, you're getting the best of both worlds. Automatic capabilities with semi-automatic flexibility. It's nearly identical to the more expensive Oracle model. It's just smaller and doesn't have automatic damping. Breville BESS 870 XL Barista Express Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. It's similar to Breville's automatic Barista Touch, but with fewer bells and whistles. It has some automatic features but emphasizes the semi-automatic ones more. But with easy-to-follow prompts on the LCD and consistent, delicious brews, the learning curve is easy to manage. So if you can handle the price, this is a great machine to buy.